to 1/3. Diba dahil ko sinasabi sa inyo na if the given fraction, find a way to eliminate the denominator. How are we going to eliminate the denominator? Make the denominator similar. So, paano ito magiging similar? So, we have 6 to 3. So, ibig sabihin, ang kanilang common denominator will fall on 6. So, it means that our 5x over 6 minus 1/2 to make it 6 multiplied up and down by 3. And then, 1, 3 to make it 6 multiplied up and down by 2. Para daw maging pare-pareho yung kanyang denominator na over 6. So we have now 5x over 6 minus 1 times 3, 3, 2 times 3 is 6 is equal to 1 times 2, 2, and 3 times 2, 6. Since we have all denominators equal to 6, we can eliminate it right away. So now what will be? So we have 5x minus 3 is equal to 2. Transpose minus 3 on the other side. So we have 5x is 2 plus 3. So we have 5x is equal to 5. Both sides divide by 5. So x is equal to 1. Okay, next po. We have the next example. Ito po yung medyo complicated. So we have here, another example is, we have 4x minus 6 over 2x minus 3 is equal to 7x plus 1. Okay, so we have now, cross multiply po doon tayo. So we have 4x minus 6 times x plus 1 is equal to 7 times 2x minus 3. Mawawala na po yung denominator. Nagkakaroon lang po ng denominator kapag the operation is subtraction and addition. But if in between is equal, so mawawala yung denominator. So now we multiply 4x times x plus 1 minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 7 2x minus 3. So we have here 4x squared plus 4x minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 14x minus 21. Equate into 0. So ibig sabihin lahat daw ng nasa right ilalagay sa left. So we have now 4x squared plus, this is positive 4 minus 6 is negative 2x minus 6. Ito lagay natin negative 14x and positive 21 equal to 0. So we have now 4x squared minus 16x plus 15 is equal to 0. I mean, lahat po ng nasa right ilalagay sa left. Tapos i-equal sa 0. Next, as you can see, this is an example of quadratic equation. Okay, ano daw yung quadratic equation? What is the formula in getting the quadratic equation? So we have here negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, pero we can have this one as what we call, okay, guess, check, and revise. Okay, so try to have this one muna, figure out natin. For here, our A is 4, our B is negative 16, and our C is positive 15. Are you familiar with this quadratic formula? Familiar po ba kayo dito? Okay. So after po finding the value of A, B, and C, perform po natin siya dito. So we have negative 16 plus minus negative 16 squared minus 4AC all over 2A. So we have negative times negative, positive 16. So we have 16 times 16, 36, 6. Then we have 3. So we have, 36, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 6 and 1, 2, 56. So we have 256 minus 4 times 4 is 15. 14 times 15, 16 times 15, this is 16 times 15. So 30, 5, 8, 6, 1, 0, 40, 240, 240 over 8. So that will be 16 plus minus 256 minus 40 is 16 over 8. What is the root of 16? 4. So we have here 16 plus minus 4 over 8. So the first x is 16 plus 4, 20 over 8, which is 10 over 4, which is 5 over 2. The next x is 16 minus 4 is 12 over 8. So that will be 6 over 4, 3 over 2. So, may dalawang value po tayo ng x. The one is x is equal to 5 halves. The other one is x is equal to 3 halves. By applying the quadratic formula. Sige, dito muna tayo sa quadratic formula. Again, paano po ito yung quadratic formula? So, hahanapin lang po natin yung ABC. Pagkatapos po ay perform po natin by following this formula. Okay. So, let's have this one. Yes po. Yung? Alin po? 12 over 16 minus 4 is 12. Tapos over 8. Yung isa po, 16 plus 4, 20 over 8. Yung isa naman po, 16 minus 4, 12 over 8. Okay, so sige, alingin muna natin ito quadratic ha. So we have here 6x squared minus x minus 15. Okay. So again, ano daw unang gagawin natin? Determine our A, B, and C. Our A is the numerical coefficient of x squared. Our T is the numerical coefficient of x, and our C will be constant. So what will be our A? 6. What will be our B? 1. Negative 1. We follow the preceded sign. And then we have, what is our C? Negative 15. Substitute natin doon sa formula na yon. Negative B. Okay, then we have plus minus B, which is negative 1 squared minus 4. Our A is 6. Our C is negative 15. All over 2, our A is 6. Can you follow? Can you follow? Sinasubstitute lang natin na ito yung B, ito yung B, ito yung A, ito yung C, ito yung A. Then, perform. Negative times negative, positive. What is negative 1 raised to 2? Positive 1. Negative times negative, positive. 4 times 6, 24. Times 15. So, 24 times 15. So, we have 20, 12, 4, 2, 0, 360 over 12. So 1 plus minus square root of 361 over 12. 361 is what? 361 is, I think, try natin sa 19, 81, 9, 7, 17, then we have 9, 1. Tama, 361. So the square root of 361 is 17. Kaya po, mangyayari dito ay 1 plus minus 17 over 12. Paghihiwalayin po natin. Yung una ay 1 plus 17 over 12. Yung pangalawa, 1 minus 17 over 12. So what is 1 plus 17? So that will be 18 over 12 divisible by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Kaya po 3 halves. And then 1 minus 17 is negative 16 over 12 divisible by 4. So 16 divided by 4 is negative 4 over 3. So there are two possible values for our x. Nasusundan po ba? Nasusundan. Sunod natin. So negative 5 plus minus 5 squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Nakuha niyo po ba yan?
Yes.
Okay, then we have negative 5 plus minus, what is 5 squared? 25. Negative times negative, positive. 4 times 2, 8. Times 3, 24. Over 2 times 2, 4. Negative 5 plus minus 25 plus 24, 49. What is the root of 49? So we have x is equal to negative 5 plus 7 over 4. The other one is negative 5 minus 7 over 4. What is negative 5 plus 7? Positive 2 over 4, that will be 1 half. What is negative 5 minus 7? Negative 12. Negative 3. Who got this answer? Okay. Next. So, iyan lang po, ginagawa lang natin if ever na ang makuha natin ay quadratic. Let's say we have here a simple example muna tayo ng rational function. Let's say we have here x plus 5 over 3 is equal to 5x minus 7 over 4. Paano daw natin isolve for the value of x? Kapag po may equal sign, cross product lang po tayo. So we have 4 times x plus 5 is equal to 3 times 5x minus 7. So we have 4x plus 20 is equal to 15x minus 21. And then, all with x on the left side, all without x on the right side. So we have 4x minus 15x. Change the sign na, negative 21 minus 20. So what is 4 minus 15? Negative 11x is negative 41. Both sides divide by 11. So x, negative divide negative is positive. Kaya po 41 over 11. Yan lang po. Bakit po isa lang ang value ng x? Kasi po linear. Pag linear equation, isa lang po ang value ng x. Kapag quadratic, dalawa po ang value ng x. Nasusundan po ba to? Okay. Next. Simplifying po tayo ha. Simplifying rational function. Lagay niyo po, dagdag dito sa ano nyo, sa copy ninyo, wala ito dyan. Okay, simplifying rational function. Let's say we have here 24 a squared b3 c5 over over 10 a4 b2 c8. Okay. So, para lang po tayo naglo-lowest term. 24 and 10. Pinakamaliit na ba yung 24 over 10? O pwede pa natin siya i-simplify? Okay, 24 and 10 are both divisible by what? By 2. So, 24 divided by 2 is 12. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. How about 12 and 5? Mapapaliit pa ba? No. Okay, next. Ito po. Susubtract natin yung malaking exponent sa maliit na exponent. Tapos, ilalagay natin yung letter kung nasaan yung malaki ang exponent. So, 4 minus 2. 2. So, it means A2. B3 minus B2. B1. Then, 8 minus 5. C3. So, the answer is 12B over 5A2 C3. Nasusundan po ba? Nasusundan? Parang ganito po yan ha. Para bang, okay, pag in-extend natin yan, para bang 24 over 10, 2 A, 3 B, 5 C, over 4 na A, 2 B, 8 C. Cancellation lang. Parang ganito lang po yan. Ano natira sa tapos 24 tsaka 10 na papaliit, 12 and 5. Kaya po 12. Ilan na natira sa taas? Isang bilang. Ilan na natira sa baba? 5. Ilang A? 2. Ilang C? 3. Nasusundan po ba? Nasusundan. Okay. So let's have another one. Okay, pakigawa nga po, pakisimplify. 8A3B4 C7 over 5 A5 B3 C5. How are you going to simplify? Nasa simplifying pa lang tayo ha. So we have, is 8 over 5 already in simplest form?
Yes.
Yes, so copy na lang natin. 8 over 5. A3 tsaka A5, saan daw ilalagay yung A2? Taas or baba? Baba. So we have A2. B4 tsaka B3, saan ilalagay yung B1? Sa taas. And then C7 and C5, saan ilalagay yung C2? Sa taas. Okay, yan po yung ating simplest form. Nagkakaintindihan po ba? Next. Okay. So this time we have 15a squared b raised to negative 3 c raised to 5 all over 6a raised to negative 4 b, it means raised to 1, and c raised to negative 3. Kapag daw negative na nasa taas, ibababa natin para maging positive. Kapag naman daw nasa baba, itataas natin para maging negative, para maging positive. So what we're going to do is 15 and 6, A2, since it is negative, itataas natin para maging positive. Since it is negative, ibababa natin para maging positive. Nagkakaintindihan po ba? And then we have B, C5, negative, itataas natin para maging positive. When we multiply like places, we add the exponent. So, i-add doon natin. 15 and 6, saan na-divide? Sa 3. So, we have here, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then, we have, pag dalawang magkatabi, we add. So, we have A, 6, C, 8, B, 4. So, this will be the simplest form. Nasusundan po ba? Pag magkatabi, i-add. Kapag negative yung exponent, pag nasa numerator, ilalagay natin sa denominator, magiging positive. Kapag naman nasa ilalim yung negative na exponent, okay, itataas naman natin para maging positive. Isa pa, kayo naman ang gumawa. Gawa ng mga po yan. Okay, so we have done 3/5 negative, ibababa, negative, itataas, negative, ibababa, copy, copy, tataas para maging positive. Okay, next. 3/5 is already in simplest form. A6 saka A4, ilan na natira? A2. Nasa taas pa ba? Taas. Okay, 8 plus 4, 12. 3 plus 2, Oy, 5. So this will be the answer. Sino nakakuha nito? Isa pa. Isa pa, ha? Ay, negative 6. Negative 6. Okay, sino tapos na? Okay. So 12 and 8, mapapaliit pa ba? 12 and 8, both divisible by what? By 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we have 3 halves. Then we have A, 4, itataas, A, 6, ibababa, B, 3, itataas, B, 2, copy, C, 7, copy, C, 3. Kapag po, positive siya, copy lang, ha? So we have here, 3 halves. Okay, magkatabi, we add. Pag magkatabi, we add. Kapag isang nasa numerator, denominator, we subtract. So, magkatabi, so it means A, 10. Then, isang taas, isang baba, we subtract. So, B. It means B raised to 1. And then, we subtract. So, C, 4. Got this answer. Okay. Pag tayo nagsusubtract, kung nasaan yung mataas na exponent, nahandun po yung letter. Nagkakaintindihan po ba? Okay, next. Evaluating rational function naman tayo. Or solve for the value of x. So now we have 2x over 5 plus x minus 1 over 4 is equal to 3 over 2. Saan mag-meet yung 5, 4, 2? Saan mag-meet? Common denominator. 5, 4, and 2. 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20. Saan sila mag-limit? Sa 20. Kaya kailangan maging 20 daw pare-pareho ang kanilang denominator para daw ma-cancel out natin. Nagkakaintindihan po ba? Okay. So, how we will make it over 20? So, ibig sabihin, alam na paano nakuha itong 20 ha? Kung saan sila unang mag-limit. Okay. So, para maging 20 to, yung 5, i-multiply sa 4. Tama po ba? Up and down. So, we have here 2x over 5. Multiply natin sa 4. Up and down. Our target is to make our denominator equal to 20. Pero kung anong ginawa mo sa baba, ganun din ang gagawin mo sa taas. Then ito, plus x minus 1 over 4. To make it 20, multiply up and down by 5. Naging 2x. Okay, so we have up and down multiplied by 5. Here, 3 halves para maging 20, up and down multiply by 10. So we have 2x times 4 is 8x over 20. 5 times x, 5x minus 1 times 5, 5 over 20. 3 times 10, 30 over 2 times 10, 20. Pag magkakamukha na, cancel out na natin. So, ano matitira? Yung numerator. Then, solve for x. Siyempre, tatanggalin natin ito. Lipat natin sa kabila. So, ito i-add. 13x is equal to 30 plus 5. And then, both sides, divide by 13. So, we have 13 tsaka 13. So, x is 35 over 13. Ayan ang may value ng x. Nasusundan po ba? Nasusundan. Okay. So, let's have another example. So, we have 8, 3, tsaka 4. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24. 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Saan sila mag-limit? Sa 24. So, find a way to make our denominator equal to 24. How we will make 8 equal to 24? Up and down multiplied by 3. So, kahit dito na natin ilagay 3x plus 1 over 3 times 8. Okay, minus up and down multiplied by 8. Up and down multiplied by 6. Nasusundan po ba? So we have 3 times 3x, 9x plus 3 minus 8 times 2x, 16x is equal to 6x. 3, 8 is 24. 8, 3 is 24, and 6, 4 is 24, out. Then, ano daw mangyayari? Ito daw, lipat sa kabila, and ito naman daw, lipat sa kabila. Kasi, all with x must be placed on the right side, and all without, on the left side, and all without x are on the right side. So we have 9x minus 16x minus 6x is equal to negative 3. So, like sign, add copy the sign. 9x minus 22x is equal to negative 3. 9 minus 22, subtract. Copy the sign of the bigger number. So that will be negative 13. X is equal to negative 3. Both sides divide by negative 13. Negative divide by negative is positive. So x is 3 over 13. Mapapaliit pa by 3 over 13? No longer. So that will be the final answer. Last one for the evaluating rational function. Gawin niyo po ito. Okay, so we have 2x over 9 plus 3 over 6 is equal to x plus 5 over 3. Pakigawa po ito. Ito po ang unang-unang isipin nyo paano magiging pare-pareho yung denominator. Saan sila mag-limit? Skip counts by 9, skip countings by 6, skip countings by 3. Saan ka mag-limit yung 9, 6, 3? Sa 18. Kasi 9 times 9, 9, 18. 6, 12, 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Kaya mag-limit daw sila sa 18. Gawin nyo na. Okay? So how we will make 9, 18 up and down, multiply by 2. Plus, up and down, multiply by 3. Up and down, multiply by 6. Nasusundan yung uban. So we have 2 times 2x, 4x, plus 3 times 3, 9, 6x, plus 30. Pare-pares na 18 out. Okay, and then 4x, lipat ito minus 6x, 30 minus 9. So we have 4x minus 6x is negative 2x. 30 minus 9 is 21. Divide both sides by negative 2. X is, can we still simplify 21 and 2? No. Pero itataas natin to. Negative 21 over 2. Kasi wala pong negative na denominator. Okay. Nasusundan? Opo, that's the rule. Bawal po yung negative na denominator. Okay, next. Now we go to the inverse function. Okay, so for the inverse function, so we have y is equal to 2x plus 1. Inverse function na to, ha? Okay, pag sinabi natin inverse, ano daw ibig sabihin ng inverse? Kabaliktaran. Nagkakaintindihan ba? Okay, kung sa ating function, we have here f of x. Sa inverse naman, f raised to negative 1 of x. This is the symbol for inverse function. This is the symbol for function. Nagkakaintindihan ba? Nagkakaintindihan? Okay, meron siyang raised to negative 1. Okay, let's say we have here y is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay. So, yung first rule po natin, how are we going to get the inverse function of this function? This is a function, ha? Y means, ang y po means f of x. Pero we rewrite it as y. Okay, first po, we're going to interchange y to x, x to y from the given. Papalitan doon natin yung y ng x, papalitan natin yung x ng y. Nasusundan po ba? And then, solve for y na. How are we going to solve for y? So, we have 2y plus 1 is equal to x. So, 2y is equal to x minus 1. Both sides, divide by 2. So, y is x minus 1 over 2. Kaya daw yung kanyang ka-inverse ay ito. Ayan po yung kanyang ka-inverse. Nagkaintindihan po ba? Okay. Let's have another one. Okay. Now we have y is equal to 3x plus 1 over 2. Ano daw yung unang gagawin natin? Interchange y to x and x to y. This is our given. Unang step, papalitan daw natin yung y ng x. Papalitan natin yung x ng y. And then solve for y. So, ibig sabihin, our target is to solve for y. Kailangan y lang daw ang matira sa left side. So, what we're going to do is, okay, both sides multiply by 2 para matanggal ito dito sa ilalim. So, now we have 2x is equal to 3y plus 1. And then interchange 3y plus 1 negative 2x. So now we have 3y is equal to negative 2x minus 1. Ito po yun, nilipat natin sa kabila. Both sides divide by 3. So, our inverse function is negative 2x minus 1 over 3. So, ito na po yung ating inverse. lang. At baka mali ang typo ko. 3y plus 1, 2x. Okay, so 3y plus 1, 3y plus 1. Ay, okay. Sorry po. Positive to. Okay, so ayan po. Okay. Nasusundan po ba? Nasusundan? Okay, kayo naman po gumawa nito. Pakigawa nga po ito. Pakikuha ko yung inverse function ito. Gagawin natin, both sides multiplied by 4. So we have 4y is equal to wait pala, bakit another times of 4? Substitute pala muna natin. Replace. So papalitan daw natin yung y ng x and yung x papalitan natin ng y. Okay, and then both sides multiplied by 4 para matanggal yung over ng 4 sa ilalim. So we have 4x is equal to 5y plus 3. Interchange. 5y plus 3 is equal to 4x. Lipat sa kabila. 5y, 4x minus 3. Both sides divide by 5. So, f raised to negative 1x ayan po. Nasusundan po ba? Next. What if we have this one? So we have y is equal to square root of 3x plus 5. Paano naman daw yan? Y is equal to 3x square root of 3x plus 5. Paano daw natin pupunin yung kanyang inverse? Paano daw kukunin yung inverse? Ano daw yung rule natin? Papalitan yung y ng x at yung x ng y. So we have x is square root of 3y plus 5. Andito yung y sa loob. Paano daw matatanggal sa radical side? Both sides square. So square both sides. Ayan po. Para maging x squared is equal to 3y plus 5. Nasusundan po ba? And then we add interchange. 3y plus 5 is x squared. Lipat itong plus 5. 3y x squared minus 5. And then both sides, divide by 3. Y is x squared minus 5 over 3. So we have f raised to negative 1 is x squared minus 5 over 3. Ayan po. Nagkakaintindihan po ba? Okay, next. What if ganito naman ang given? Y is 5x squared plus 3. Paano naman daw pag ganito? Y is equal to 5x squared plus 3. So what we're going to do, so we have x is equal to 5y squared plus 3. And dito yun, so interchange. 5y squared plus 3 is equal to x. Walang papalit ng sign na. Tapos lilipat to sa kabila. So 5y squared is x minus 3. Pagkatapos both sides, divide by 5. So y squared is equal to x minus 3 over 5. Sumunod, pwede na po ba to? Hindi pa, kasi may square pa yung ating y. Kailangan y lang daw. Para matanggal naman to, anong gagawin? Squared both sides. Para matanggal, squared both sides. So, y is square root of x minus 3 over square root of 5. Bawat po yung may square root sa ilalim. I-rationalize natin yung paano daw. Both sides multiply by square root of 5. Okay, so we have y is equal to 5 times x, 5x, minus 3 times 5, 15. 5 times 5, 25. What is the root of 25? 5. Kaya ang final answer ay f raised to negative 1x is 5x minus 15 all over 5. Ayan po. Nasusundan po ba? Nasusundan? Okay, next. Ganyan po yung sa inverse function na we just follow the rule. Unang-unang rule, interchange y to x and x to y and then solve for y. Yung magiging final answer, ina po yung kanyang inverse function. Next, exponential function. Okay, bases muna tayo. Okay. Bases muna tayo. So we have 2 means 2. 4 means 2 raised to 2. 8 means 2 raised to 3. Then we have 16 means 2 raised to 4. 32 means 2 raised to 5. 36 means 2 raised to 6. Dito naman, base 3. So we have 3, 3, 9, 27, 3 raised to 3. 81, 3 raised to 4. Then 243, 3 raised to 5. Base 4. 4 raised to 1. 16. 4 raised to 2. 64. 4 raised to 3. 256. Okay, 4 raised to 4. $1,024, 4 raised to 5. Bakit doon natin kailangan ma-find out muna yung mga bases? This is base 2. This is base 3. This is base 4. Okay, that will be needed in our exponential function. So let's say we have here raised to negative x is equal to 1 over 64. Okay, gagawin po natin muna siyang whole number. Pag po ganito, ibig sabihin ito ay 16 raised to negative x is 64 raised to negative 1. Kasi di ba pag sabi ko, pag exponent na ganito, ibababa? Nagkakaintindihan ba? Saan? 2 raised to 2 raised to I. Okay, so that will be 64. Okay, next po. Dito na tayo. As you can see, 16 tsaka 64. Kailangan makancel natin yung base. Kasi daw, nandito yung ating variable x. Para makancel natin yung base, yung 16 at 64, saan sila pwedeng maging magkamukha yung base nila? Saan? Itong 16 at 64, saan daw? Pwede pong sa 2, pwede rin po sa 4, pwede rin po sa base 4, na magiging magkamukha yung base. Nagkakaintindihan po ba? So, gawin natin ito sa base 4. Yung 16, gagawin natin 4 raised to 2 times negative x. Yung 64, 4 raised to 3 times negative 1. Nasusundan ba ako? Para daw, makancel natin yung base. O, ngayon, 2 times negative x, negative 2x. 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Both sides divide by negative 2. So, x is 3 halves. Nasusundan po? Nasusundan? Sige, copy muna. O, nalilito na sa dami na ng number na nakikita. Okay, so let's have another one. Okay. So we have now 3 raised to 2x plus 5 is equal to 9 raised to 3x minus 1. Saan daw sila pwedeng mag-meet na base? Saan? Sa 3. Okay, so we have 3, 2x plus 5. Ano ba equivalent ng 9 sa base 3? 3 raised to 2, 3x minus 1. Nasusunod ba? Pinalitan natin yung 9 ng 3 raised to 2. Ayan po. Yung 9. Pinalitan natin ng 3 raised to 2. Nagkakaintindihan ba? And then, cancel out na natin yung 3. Bali mangyayari, 2x plus 5, 2 times 3x minus 1. Then we have 2x plus 5, 6x minus 2. Ayan po. Then, lipat. So, we have 2x minus 6x, negative 2 minus 5. Nasusundan po ba? So, we have, what is 2x minus 6x? Negative 4x, negative 7. Negative 4, negative 4. So, x is 7 over 4. Nasusundan po? Yes. Okay, next. Okay, so gawin ninyo. Okay, so we have now 27 raised to 5x plus 1 is equal to 1 over 81 raised to x minus 1. Ano daw gagawin natin dyan? So we have 27 5x plus 1. Ito, gagawin muna natin siyang 81 raised to negative 1. Tapos times x minus 1. Tapos anong gagawin natin? Saan sila mag-meet na base? Base 3. So 27, papalitan natin ng 3 raised to 3. So 3 raised to 3 times 5x plus 1. Yung 81, papalitan natin ng 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 times negative 1 times x minus 1. Cancel out natin yung 3. 3 times 5x, 15x. 3 times 1, positive 3. 4 times negative 1, negative 4, x minus 1. So 15x plus 3, negative 4 times x, negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 1, positive 4. Then, minus 3. So we have 15x is equal to negative 4x plus 1. Divide by 15. So x is negative 4x plus 1 over 15. Sino po nakakuha niyan? It means 64 raised to negative 1 times negative 2x plus 1. Then we have here 4 raised to negative 1 times 6x minus 5. Doon muna tayo sa base 4. So sa base 4, 64 is what? 4 raised to 3. So we have 4 raised to 3 times negative 1 times negative 2x plus 1. Since ito ay 4 na, copy na lang po. So cancel out natin yung base 4. So we have negative 3 times 2x plus 1 is equal to negative 6x plus 5. Then we have positive 6x minus 3 is equal to negative 6x plus 5. So we have 6x plus 6x is 5 plus 3. So we have 12x is 8 divided by 12. So x is 4 over 2 over 3. We got this answer. Okay, now, let's say gawin natin siyang base 2. So we have here just showing you so sa base 2 ano tayo 64, 2 raised to 6 at yung 4, 2 raised to 2. So we have 2 raised to 6 times negative 1, negative 2x plus 1. 2 times 2 times negative 1, 6x minus 5. So we have negative 6 times negative 2x plus 1, negative 2 times 6x minus 5. So we have 12x minus 6 is equal to negative 12x plus 10. So 12x plus 12x is equal to 10 plus 6. So we have 24x is 16. Both sides divide by 24. And 16 and 24 divisible by 8. And that is the same as 2/3. So as you can see, kahit po base 4 or base 2 ang ginawa ninyo, the same answer will come out. Magkakaintindihan nyo ba? Ang importante po yung final answer nyo is correct.